Oh, there you are. Have you seen my 15-second film, Picky Eater? I want to show you how I made that prop. Come with me. This is how the prop looked in the scene. The items you will need to make this prop are a knife, a clamp, a saw or an angle grinder, a paper plate, Gorilla Glue, red paints, an overshirt, an undershirt, duct tape, and safety glasses. Cut or grind the knife until it looks like this. Smooth off the knife until it looks like this. Pour your Gorilla Glue onto your paper plate. Insert the knife into the Gorilla Glue. Use household items to create a stabilizer while you wait for the glue to dry and expand. Once the glue is dry, trim off any excess cardboard from the paper plate. Now you can go ahead and paint your glue, getting it to look like blood and gore. Cut a slash in your garment to fit your knife through. I hope you liked that video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.